Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Georgian C. Bigilla, and today I'm gonna perform my performance task in Kelly. Chicken halang-halang. Ingredients: chili espada, onion, and garlic. And this is the chicken. Pakain camel, patis, and pamintang buo. First of all, I'm gonna chop this chili espada. After I chop the chili espada, I'm gonna saute this garlic and onion and chicken na lang. And the oil is ready. I'm gonna put this in it.
Ay, hurot.
This chicken. Buto na. And then I'm gonna cover this. And there I'm gonna put Ajinomoto, Vichy. And the chili espada. And now I'm gonna put this walintang buo. And now the patis coming.
Mix it well.
And I'm gonna mix it. And today I'm gonna cover this and cook for 5 minutes. And now I'm gonna taste it. And now it's cooked already. I'm gonna transfer in a bowl. This is my cousin Yan Yan, and he gonna rate it. Rate 10 to 10 yan.
10.
And this is my tito. He gonna rate it.
Good. 10 out of 10.
And this is my mom, Mom Vivan. Rate ma.
10.
10.